Hello, my name is Trevor Faulkner, and I am currently a candidate for the Masters of Public Health program at UNE. Um, my story starts back when I was an undergrad student. I actually attended the University of New England. I had plans to obtain my bachelor's in chemistry and math and then apply on to meteorology as a graduate major. Obviously, didn't pan out that way. Um, I ended up loving chemistry, didn't want to be stuck in labs the rest of my life, and math became a foreign language to me. So, decided to actually switch my major again and go into environmental science, where I was out in the field all the time doing research and really practicing my lab and analytical skills as well. But then I ended up taking an elective course called medical sociology, where a big piece of that course was epidemiology, and really studying the history of certain diseases. And I really liked it, and I didn't know that there was a whole field called public health at the time. So then I started looking into public health a little bit more and decided that that seemed like a really good fit for me after college. So I looked into it, and here we are today. Since being in the program, outside of that class, I don't have too much experience, but I've learned that I can combine my interest with kind of being around weather, but also helping big groups of people or large populations. So I've really taken a liking to like natural disaster epidemiology and emergency preparedness and response. I think that's a super cool field and would love to learn more about that. So I'm really excited to maybe do my applied experience in the field with some organization like that. I'm currently working on that. But outside of that, I don't have other experiences in public health, but pretty excited to be here. Outside of that, my schooling experience, my professional experience, I am an admissions counselor at the University of New England, actually. So after I graduated, I decided to join the admissions staff. So I currently recruit in central and western Massachusetts, where I actually go into the high schools and do college fairs and get to chat with parents and students about the next steps in their education. I also read all their applications for those areas as well. And then we also host large-scale events at the University of New England for those students. So it's a little bit about my job. Like I said, I would love to move on into the emergency preparedness and response. But for now, this is the gig, so here we are. And then outside of that, I come from Manchester, New Hampshire. I came from a smaller family. I have a younger sister who also attended UNE. I would say some things that I enjoy doing in my spare time. Really enjoy playing soccer. I played it all the way through high school, and I just play it recreationally. I really like doing anything that gets me up and moving, so I'm a big spike ball player for any of those that play spike ball. Done a few of those tournaments. Outside of that, love hiking. Working on the 4,000 footers in the White Mountains in New Hampshire right now. And I love to travel. So the last place on my list that I went to was Norway. Super cool experience. Very similar to Iceland. I also went to Iceland one time. And then also France, Italy, and Greece. But outside of that, I would say I just enjoy spending time with people. I love hanging out with family and friends. I love being a host. So I'm always having people over. It's always a good time. But for the most part, I think that sums me up in a nutshell. And yeah, so I'm excited to be here with you guys and can't wait for this upcoming semester. Yeah.